Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you some cool secret codes for Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! All of the secret codes can be accessed inside the Phones app after we go to the dial pad. And starting with the very first one and probably most known, the email info code, which is an *##06 and ending with a hash. Here we have both of our email numbers, and we can take those numbers and put them, for example, in the website called email.info, a website in which you can basically test anything you want, that being, actually not really test. You can double check some of information about your phone. For example, where has it been bought, maybe it's blacklisted, maybe it's not. There's really big amount of information that you probably not even know about, and you can easily check that information using the email numbers. Anyway, leaving the numbers themselves, let's go into other pretty quick and very short secret codes, that being *##07 and ending with hash, and that will take us to the regulatory labels, which basically consists all regulatory information. For example, the weight of your phone, where it's been exactly made. For example, you can't really throw it into a random trash can. If you ever actually, used any clothing, there's like these icons there. So yeah, you can always access this on your phone. Then going into more, let's say, complicated hidden codes, and we can access the calendar storage. We can do that by going *###, and then inputting 225, and then going once again with this sequence, but from the other side. So we want to not start with the asterisk, but instead start with hash, asterisk, hash, asterisk. As you can see here, we have the calendar info. We have basically every single event list that we have on our Google Calendar, which is a pretty cool fun fact to know about your phone. And speaking of Google services, we can actually go inside of our Google Play services by inputting the same combination, except this time we want to go with 426 and ending with hash, asterisk, hash, asterisk. This takes us to the diagnostics. As you can see, we are connected to a Google server with this port, and if we enable the events, we can see the logs of our Google Play services. That's also pretty cool. Leaving that, we have very last piece of secret content, that being a whole testing menu. And now this code is the most complicated one because it's a pretty long one, but I bet you can do that. Asterisk hash, asterisk hash, then 4636, misinput 36, and then ending with hash, asterisk, and hash, asterisk. This takes us to the testing menu, in which we can test very different things about our phone. For example, we can see our usage statistics. We can check our phone information, which consists of pretty large amount of information, to be honest. For example, we can even rank a ping test here, which is pretty cool. Like, we can do that on the normal settings. And lastly, we have whole Wi-Fi information. For example, the config of our Wi-Fi, which consists of a lot of information, and the status of our Wi-Fi. And here we can also run ping tests. How cool is that? But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.